Hello, in this video we're gonna do a quick unboxing of Apple iPad mini 7th generation. We're gonna see what is inside, what we can find inside the box as well. So I'm gonna show you all accessories that are added as well, that are included. So first of all, let's open the box. There we go. It comes out really easily. And let's open the box. Let's try to be gentle. There we go. Of course, we have the iPad itself. Use this tongue in order to take it out from the box. We're gonna take a look at the iPad just in a sec. But before we do that, let's see what we can also find inside. So we have this paper box. There's nothing at the back. Over here we have just some papers, some guides probably. And we also have the USB cable as well. This is USB-C. I'm not sure if there is even the pin for the tray. So over here, oh, actually my bad, there is something. We have some information. I thought it was stickers for a second. So all of these are in different languages, which is kind of messy, to be honest. Why everything is separate, and even that, wow, that's a little bit inconvenient, I would say. Everything could be in just one paper, one like a pamphlet or something, I don't know. And I think that's all. There is nothing else inside. Now that we have this part covered, let me actually place this somewhere else for a second. And let's take a look at the iPad itself. There we go. So this is how the iPad looks like. Over here at the bottom, of course, we have the USB input. We have speakers on the left and right side. On the right side, it looks like this. Then we have the left side, nothing over here. At the top, we have two buttons, speakers, an additional button over here on the right side. So 3 buttons actually in total. And at the back, it looks like this. We have one camera lens, we have the flashlight. And yeah, that's all that we got. So thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!